The Virginia Department of Transportation, or VDOT, is gathering public input to inform the 2025 Corridor Improvement Plan for Interstate 81. This initial round of public input will focus on issue identification, looking for sections of the corridor that are known problem areas. In 2018, VDOT prepared a corridor improvement plan that identified and funded 65 projects, totaling almost $3 billion. Many of these projects have already entered the construction phase, and some have been completed. Others are in the planning and design phase and will be breaking ground soon. As the rest of the originally selected projects gets underway, VDOT is looking to identify the next group of projects in order to continue the process of improving the corridor. In order to identify the sections of the corridor most in need of improvement, the study team analyzed the latest 5 years of available data, disregarding 2020 data due to the fluctuations of vehicular travel resulting from the COVID-19 pandemic. The study team analyzed performance along the corridor according to 4 measures. The first 2 performance measures pertain to vehicle crashes. The other 2 performance measures focus on person-hours of delay and the causes of that delay. In measuring safety, crash severity represents the number of crashes on the roadway, with more severe crashes given more weight. Crash frequency represents crash severity in relation to the volume of traffic on the roadway. In measuring congestion, person-hours of delay represents the number of hours that drivers have been delayed due to recurring congestion, incidents, and weather events. Incidents include crashes and disabled vehicles. In terms of reliability, person-hours of incident delay represents the number of hours that drivers have been delayed due to incidents that lead to at least one lane of the interstate being closed for an hour or more. This helps to identify areas where improvements in incident management and other operational strategies may be most beneficial. The 2025 Corridor Improvement Plan analysis determined the value of the 4 performance measures for every 1-mile segment, northbound and southbound, along I-81. Each color on this map, red, green, blue, and purple, represents 1 performance measure and highlights the segments in the top 25%. The black lines indicate the areas that were selected for construction of widening or truck climbing lanes as a part of the 2018 plan and were excluded from this analysis. Now VDOT is looking for public input to verify the issues identified in the corridor and to ensure that the 2025 Corridor Improvement Plan reflects the needs of the public. Please share your experience with the study team via publicinput.com. At this portal, you will find a brief survey and an interactive map that will allow you to pinpoint locations where you experience issues along the corridor. This initial round of public engagement will conclude in mid-April. This summer, and again in the fall, in-person public meetings will be held to gather input on potential solutions and then to refine those solutions. The final Corridor Improvement Plan will be published in December of this year. VDOT values your input and appreciates your help in continuing to improve the Interstate 81 corridor.